So let's start with today's presentation. That is understand the power of Google. Okay. So everyone is aware of the Google, but I will brief you in this presentation with more by digging more into Google products and the power of Google in upcoming years. So this is the table of content which we will going to understand about today's topic, that is problem versus solution, then product overviews, that is the Google products, then third is market and competition, and last is conclusion and takeaways. So this is the basic introduction of Google, about Google. So Google is American company which is specialized in web-based products and services. It is specifically used for the searching things. Like you might be aware of how much time or how many times you are opening the Google. So this is what Google products or services is. Google is one platform for all the information. Yes, but obvious they have competitors, but Google is having maximum stake from the market for this tool, this one tool, that is search engine. Then Google is using for the communication analytical tools, then multiple products they have over there in their portfolio. Okay. So it is software based company which is using engineering, creativity, innovation and technologies together to develop multiple products. So Google was selected as best company to work for in 2014 as well. It is listed into Fortune magazine as well. So this is about basic idea about Google. Google is priorly known as backrub. So about backrub, I can say, I mean, I googled it again. The same thing. What is the backrub? So that time they are using just backlinks and getting the data from other sources, and then they realize that they need to create their own information platform where all the data and information gathered towards one server, and that can be provided to the society or world globally. So this is how the Google journey with the logo I presented. Then the background of Google. Google is founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Both are the PhD student in Stanford University. And priorly, Google domain is listed on Stanford Education Society. Then they started with their own registration process in September 15, 1997. Then they introduced multiple products under Google, like Gmail. You might be aware of Gmail, Google Maps, Google Earth, YouTube, Android operating system. So these are the multiple products developed by Google in this journey after registration. So priorly, Google was just a search engine. Okay. So this is the mission of Google, which is strongly connected with the universe. Means global Google's mission is to organize all the information and universally accessible and useful to everyone. Means they wish to create a huge platform for the information which they already crafted, and there is no competition, no such a competition or the competitors in the market for this thing done by the Google. Yes, right now we have chat GPT type of tools, but those are all based on the Google concept only, because Google is giving now polished data to the nation or to the world, we can say. Because priorly Google is giving all the data, everything, means Google called as the public sheet priorly, because everyone is putting information into it, but Google now relate the technology and innovation together, and they come up with the most relevant result on the top. Means wherever you search or whatever you are searching on the Google will give you prior data, means calculated or accurate data which is relevant to your search. Okay, then some of vision of Google which is provided by them. Means I won't be go into detail with this because we have to cover lots of thing in 15 minutes. Okay, so we'll move to the problems and solutions. So what are the problem and solution into the market? Google recognized major problem, that is working culture or workspace. While we are working, we are using multiple tools and multiple applications which are consuming lots of time and which are lots of distracting things. Like for for Gmailing, for mailing, we are using Outlook from the Microsoft or other platform like other mailing tools. Or for making PPT, we are using Microsoft PPT. Then for searching, we are using Bing or Yahoo. So multiple type of platforms we need to use while working, and that is time consuming process. Then second problem realized by the Google, utilizing out of date technologies. Yes, so lots of technologies are there, but they are not consistently upgrading themselves. So that's why Google is prompted on the basis of technology, innovation, and creation, creativity. Then next is data of project, data or project file. So we are working into culture, like we are growing into any company or personal life. We are developing some data. We are creating some data files. We are creating some projects. Like we are making one Excel sheet as well. That is also a data. So what Google recognized, key all this data. Someone wish to join. Okay. Okay. So Google recognized these problems which faced by society or world or business persons, and also by the individuals, and they come to the solution with the cloud-based technology which can be used on the any corner from the world. So this is the major takeaway developed by the Google, uh, and they are working to develop in more efficient way that thing. The majority of team-based task and collaborative task on the one platform need to be carried out or over the internet. So that is the solution to collaborate all the things and come to the one platform. Then developing cutting edge technology. Yes, they are working on the technology day by day, and they are coming up with a very worst product, a very best product, which are usable and which are more efficient to use while working. Then for new businesses, Google presented Google Workplace, which is more uh, connected to the every team member and more efficient to work on and more easy to boost their everyone's productivity. So these are the solution which is developed by Google on the problems which are faced by the individual business persons or any company. So this is how the Google powerful into today's market. Okay, so product reviews for the Google, which are presenting by the Google. So these are the basic products. Google have list of product, means bunch of products which we can't think over कि ये product भी Google का हो सकता है. But that is the product of Google. So again, we are using these products which are on regular basis, like Gmail for the mailing system, then YouTube for live videos or recorded videos, then Google Chrome. This is the most used app over the years by the people. Okay, internet surfing platform it is. Then Google Sheets, it is the competitor of the Microsoft Excel, then data management and record maintaining platform. Then Looker Studio, which is recently launched in, I guess, a year back. Priorly it is called as Data Studio. Then it renamed with the Looker Studio, which is the competitor of Power BI, Tableau, Cincinnati, this type of applications. Then Kaggle, maybe you are aware of this Kaggle, where all the data sets you will be getting with a free of cost. This is the startup by Google only. Okay. So why Google is powerful? So this is the market study by the Google only. We are almost make searches per day, that is 8.5 billion searches a day. So जितने टाइम हम पानी भी नहीं पीते उससे ज़्यादा टाइम हम गूगल सर्च करते हैं एज पर माई एक्सपीरियंस. सो एवरीवन इज को रिलेटेड विद दिस for the Google search. Okay, so these are the huge. This is a huge number which is having no competition in market, like Bing or Yahoo or other searching platforms are also not 1%, or we can say 0.1% भी नहीं है इसके compare. So that's why Google is more powerful nowadays, and it is getting more powerful day by day. So almost we are doing 99,000 searches every single second as per the data of 2022. Then this is the product panel which we will get uh, on that 9 dots. Whenever we are logged to with Google account, we will get this product panel where all the products are sorted in a one single simple panel where you can found most of products. But we are not scrolling that product panel after 9 or 10 applications. But there are lots of applications you can search on your panel which you haven't yet explored, but you can explore one by one. And these are the USP of Google products. So every products or जो भी business रहता है or anything that having their unique selling point or unique selling purpose, right? So these are some purposes which I found out, or that this is the 100% internet-based cloud technology. Means you can use this over internet. No need to download, no need to search for any system, or no need to carry out your system. So you can log in your Google account and you can utilize the Google products at every corner, at any corner of the world. Then interlinked. All Google products are synchronized with each other, like Google Sheet, Google Presentation, Google Slides, or Google Data Studio, we can say, or Google Calendar, which is we are using for the interlinking of any Google Meet product with it. So like that, these all products are interlinked with each other. Then alternative, yes, Google created alternative for every top products. Like Microsoft Excel has alternative of Google Sheets. Like this, we have alternative of every product which are top into the market, which is developed by the Google. Then next is profitable. So working efficiency and smart works leads to be profitable activities. Like we are doing activities for the working culture, in the working culture with the team, with the collaboration, with the with any task or with any process. So but obvious, if you are using Google products, then it's almost profitable because it is not time consuming. It will give you if better efficiency to work on. Then strategic. Google creating multiple products which are innovative and which are useful to create strategies, like business strategies. We can use Google Maps for the understanding the people need. We can use Google Trends as well to understand what are the trending topics running into the Google. Then Google News as well we are having. So lots of things are there with the Google. Then the growth purpose, Google designed to made for this, means like Google is designing analytical ways also. So like right now they launched Looker Studio to do analysis of your data. So according to that, Google is developing more products into growth section as well. Then these are few alternative. I will go little bit fast because time constraint. So these are few alternatives of the current market. Like current market, we have Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Words, Microsoft PPT, OneDrive, Amazon Web Service, Power BI, Tableau, Firefox for internet surfing, Apple Maps for direction to travel, then Bing and Yahoo for search. So these are few alternatives by the Google as a one entity. So for Microsoft Excel, we have Google Sheet, then Google Docs, then Google Drive, Google Cloud Platform, Looker Studio for Power BI and Tableau, then Firefox, Chrome for the Firefox, then Google Maps and Google Search, and more products are available there. You can explore those products later on. Then this is the market and competition tab. So Google have major competitors like Amazon, Mozilla, and Yahoo, but they are not kind of means nearby to the Google as well. But these are the few competitors which Google having. Then I did SWOT analysis. You can refer this slide. I will share it to you to understand this SWOT analysis. It is not necessary, so I will move further slide with the time constraint. Then these are few marketing strategies developed by the Google to market their products. Then these are the CSR activities for the corporate responsibility activities, which done by the Google in a major way. Then few words from Idle, like Bill Gates. What Bill Gates says about Google. So Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates said, "Greatest mistake ever was allowing Google to develop Android and not creating a successful smartphone operating system himself." So you might be aware that Microsoft is a top competitor of Google in other products, in few products. So as Bill Gates says, Android development system जो है वो Google के पास गया. Instead of that, he won't be able to stick into the market with the good attributes. Then Jeff Bezos says, if you can't find the answer on Google, then it is really not a question. So this is the big statement done by the Jeff Bezos, which is who is founder of Amazon. Then these are few awards generate crafted, means these are the only one award I searched out from the multiple awards, which is the best award. So this is the culture based award in 2019. Then best company for women award 2020. Then best CEO Sundar Pichai got this award in 2021. Then best company like happiest employees for of the company award goes to in 2022. This is the market capture of Google. We can see this is the full world map, and this is the market capture of Google. We can see 90% of market captured by Google only, and rest of 20% market captured by Yahoo, Bing, or Microsoft AWS. That too is China and North Korea, I guess, not allowing Google as a search engine into their country. That's why this difference. Okay, so almost Google is covering 99% of the world, we can say. Then these are few numbers like 3.8 million searches per minute done by the Google, done over the Google, 1.8 million accounts of Google till 2022, and 3 billion Android users worldwide into Google. Then last part with the conclusion, uh, I didn't crafted any conclusion for this. You can see the conclusion page like this, means I hope this is the best conclusion I found over the internet for the Google. So this is the only conclusion. You must aware and explore these are the applications. So these are the few applications again I can say, but lots of applications are there, like 100 plus applications by the Google, and Google failed at some applications as well, but they crafted a best of best applications in the world, and they provide a latest technology to the consumers and individuals with the companies. So this is how I crafted few means I tried to understand you the power of Google with this presentation.